This dog don't like Sharon. I ain't not nefarious. Can I have it? You're trying to cover it up with all your long fur because you're a kettle dog? Oh, where'd the ball go? Ready? God, you hop like a bunny. I got proof of it too now, woman. Bring it back to Mama's. Or don't, because you don't want to share it. You don't know where it went? Are you a liar? Oh, now she's looking for a liar out the window. Huh. Nice one. All innocent, right? Uh-huh. Cattle dogs are so smart. I swear. Oh, what she just did right there.